Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to uh, turn on new pins from people you follow on your accounts on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, and now click notifications. Now click on Pinterest, and here you'll find it. New pins from people you follow, just click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on new pins from people you follow on your accounts on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.